Welcome to the Employer Education Series eSERS tutorial for Employer Web Administrators. As the Employer Web Administrator, you have the authority to add new web users. To add a new web user to eSERS, on the left-hand side, click Contacts Web User Maintenance. In this screen, it will give you a list of all the active and inactive contacts in your eSERS account. To create a new account, click the New button. Enter in the first name, last name, the job title. If this individual works for a contract company, it's important that you select the contract company that they work for. Enter in their main phone number. If they would like verification codes when they log into eSERS sent to them via cell phone, this is the time where you would enter in their cell phone number. Enter in their email. They will have the option to have verification codes sent to them to their email address, but email is important because this is how we also communicate all updates and important due dates to our employers. Choose the contact address. In the contact role, choose web user and any supporting roles. From there, click Save and Register Account. A pop-up will appear confirming that you want to generate an eSERS registration for the individual you just entered. Click OK. An email will then be sent to the new web user. While they're registering their account, as the Employer Web Administrator, you will assign any and all roles to this new web user. These roles specify the different types of activities that they are able to complete within eSERS. If you want to assign just a few roles to this individual, check mark the boxes next to the roles you want to assign to them and click Add Role. If you would like to add all roles to this processor, click Add All Roles. If you would like to remove any roles, check mark the box next to the role and click Remove Role. As the Employer Web Administrator, you are able to update a contact in the Contact Web User Maintenance application. If the individual would like to have their cell phone number added to their contact screen so that they can receive verification codes through their cell phone, you would click on the contact ID for the individual, and you would enter in the cell phone number in the cell phone field. Once you've entered in the cell phone, click Save. Once you've clicked Save, the web user is now able to choose cell phone number as an option to have a verification code sent to them. As the Employer Web Administrator, you are responsible for unlocking all of your web user accounts. If a web user contacts you and advises you that they are locked out of their account, you will go to Contacts Web User Maintenance. You will select the contact that has advised you that they are locked out of their account. You will scroll down to the bottom of the screen and you will click on Temporary Password. This will send a one-time password to the user and they will change their password, unlocking their account. For any questions that you may have in regards to being the Employer Web Administrator for your district, please call Employer Services. Thank you for watching.